Now bringing your both hands down, joining your both hands to Namaskar Mudra behind. Okay. After joining your both hands to Namaskar Mudra, now slowly you can bend your knee first. Slowly with the control lift your leg up. As you are lifting your leg, you are straightening your knee. This is the final. Bringing your body to straight line is the final. Keep your right feet on your left hand. Take this right hand and hold your feet if you are able to keep this. Now inhale, lifting your left hand up. Now exhale, slowly going down and hold your feet. If you are able to reach down, otherwise you are going to stay here. Look straight and stay like this and reaching your forehead to the knee. Now inhale, slowly bend your left leg. Okay. And bring your on your thigh. Inhale up and exhale, bringing your right hand outer part of your feet and look back here. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly up. Exhale, place your hand. Let's try simple version. Just to keep other side. Bend your left. Place your left feet on your right leg. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Lengthen your spine, lifting your upper body. Exhale, as you're exhaling, going down. Try to touch your forehead with them. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly up. Exhale, release your hands. Release your hands. Now, inhale, lift your both hands to your head. As you're exhaling, cross your hands and hold your feet. Now straight. Look straight, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Exhale, release your hands. Hand up your body. Lift your body up. And lift your body up. Balance on your toes. Stay there. 1, 2, 5. Exhale, slowly bring your body up. Release your now inhale, lift your both hands up. Turn both hand side of your chest area. Now inhale, you are going to lift your body up. As you exhale, look back, look at your opposite picture, your Bhujangasana. Now inhale, look straight. Exhale, bring your body up. Inhale, lift your body up. Exhale, turn your body back. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, bring your body up. The last one, inhale up. Exhale, look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring your body down. Inhale up. Exhale, look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring your body down. Release your hands and relax your mudra. Now lock your both hands. Place your both hands in the center. Now pushing your palms towards the ground and lifting your body up. Lift your head up. Feel the relaxation in your lower back. And keep your body relaxed. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly, bring your body down, release your hands and relax.